Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through a complete tutorial of the SEOSpace Locals Map Rank Tracker to give you a complete understanding of how you can use this tool in order to boost your visibility, spy on competitors, and even offer local SEO services to your clients if that's something you're interested in. Now essentially how this Map Rank Tracker works, it will track and show the visibility of any Google business profile. So in here, you could add your Google business profile, you could add a competitor's, a potential client, and then run a report in order to see where they rank for any keyword that you enter. So for example, I'm going to add in one of my clients, a self-storage business in Yonkers, New York. From there, what you can do, you can select the radius. And the radius is basically how far away from that location, from the actual location that this business is, that we're going to check the visibility. So from here, I could select 5 kilometers, and as you can see, it's going to check within this area to see the visibility. Now, I'm going to increase it to 10, and as you can see, it's going to check within this whole radius to see the visibility of any keyword that I enter. Now, if people are looking for self-storage, they're probably going to be typing in self-storage near me or something like that. If you're unsure about keyword research, head over to SEOSpace's keyword research tool, or if you head to local SEO tasks, you'll actually see a local keyword research task with a dedicated tutorial of how to do local keyword research. I'm just going to type in self-storage near me, and then I'm going to press search keywords. Now, as you can see here, if you get an error, that might be because you haven't pressed enter or added a comma. So you need to make sure that your keyword is actually entered, as you can see there, and then press search keywords. And essentially what SEOSpace Local does is sends out like a virtual person, a virtual agent, to tons of different points within that radius in order to type in that keyword and actually see who is ranking on Google and Google Maps. So it's going to see which business profiles are ranking to gather insights about those and also see where the business that you've entered ranks. So it's a local rank tracker, which will actually get real up-to-date rankings of where that business you entered ranks within that radius. Once the tracking is complete, you're going to see the results. You can also view previous searches here if you want to go back, as well as export a PDF report. Now, if you added multiple keywords, this is actually where you can switch between those keywords. If you added 5 keywords, you'd be able to click this drop down and switch between them. But as you can see here, if I just zoom out on this map, we've got the visibility for up to 10 kilometers away from this location. We're getting an average map rank position. So it's telling me my average map rank across this whole 10 kilometers is 20.5. It then shows me my visibility. And this is the percentage of the time that you show up in the top 3. And the reason why the percentage of the time you show up in the top 3 is so important is whenever you search for a local keyword, you're going to get the map at the top. And typically it's only 3 businesses that show up. So we really want to be focusing on and optimizing the amount of times that we show up in the top 3. And then from there, you're going to get a summary of where you show up, positions 1 to 3, 4 to 10, and then 10 plus. Now, a really neat feature that I like is if you click on any of the points. So these are the points that SEOSpace has virtually gone out to in order to search this keyword and see who ranks at those points. The number that shows is the position that your entered business shows. So if we click here, you'll see that the business that I entered shows up first, and these were second and third. And if we click here, we get a detailed breakdown of the businesses that showed up at that point. And again, if we do it here, we could see the top 10 businesses that show up in this actual location. Now, probably my favorite area about this feature is if you scroll down, you're going to get an overview of your top ranking competitors. From here, you can see the number of 5-star reviews that they've got, as well as their average rating, their visibility across the area that you've scanned, the average ranking position, as well as also their name. By the time this feature launches, there'll also be a little button here where you can go and visit their profile in order to conduct more competitor research. And then we also show you their primary and secondary business categories, so you can get insights on the categories that you should be adding on your profile. Now, as you'll know that I mentioned in the other videos, one of the main things that you can do to boost your visibility is aim to get more reviews than your competitors, and ideally aim for a high amount of 5-star reviews that contain text and also photos in order to show Google and users that you're getting real customers that are loving your product and service and leaving text and photos. So there you are, guys. That is SEOSpace Local's Map Rank Tracker tool. Now, our standard plan actually gives you up to 50 reports per month. So every time you search a keyword for a location, that is 1 report or 1 search. However, we will be adding more flexible plans in the future for those of you that really want to run more searches for many, many locations. Now, of course, if you've got any questions, feel free to head over to the support in the bottom right-hand corner, and I'll see you in the next video.